Hello dear upcoming bar heroes. If you don't like feeling lost behind the bar but still love making drinks, then this is the video for you. Let's break it all down. No fancy words, just real talk. Ready? Let's go. First up, the shaker. Boston shakers look super cool and fast, but the cobbler's easier for beginners. Just remember to check the seal unless you want a cocktail shower. Next, the jigger. It's your measuring cup. One side's big, the other's small. Guessing is fun, until your drink tastes like regret. Bar spoon, swirl, don't shake. The twisty handle makes you look fancy, but it's really just for smooth stirring. Strainers. The hawthorn, the one with the spring, keeps ice chunks out, and the fine mesh gets rid of tiny bits. Double strain for smooth moves. The muddler, great for smashing fruit or mint. Think mojitos. Citrus juicer. Fresh juice always beats the bottled stuff. And don't forget your wine key and bottle opener. Trust me, everyone forgets these at least once. Ice scoop and tongs, no sticky fingers please. Bonus, pour spouts. Smoother pouring, less mess, you'll look like you've been bartending for years. If this helped, smash like, share, and follow for more tips. Cheers.